Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple gradient background for your artwork in Adobe Illustrator CC. So without further ado, let's get into it. So once you're done drawing your artwork, you're done adding highlights and shadows, you're done adding all effects on your artwork, maybe you feel like you need to add some sleek background to your artwork. The one tool we use to draw backgrounds is the rectangle tool here. This is the one that we use to create the background. So we will first create a new layer, and we're going to place the layer below all other layers here. We will place the layer on top of the reference photo. So we'll click on new layer icon here, and a new layer will be created on top of the reference photo down here. We are going to rename this one as background. Click OK. And then now with our rectangle tool selected, let's draw a rectangle covering the whole artboard like this. Also be sure to turn off the stroke tool. Click on the gradient tool here. If you don't find the gradient here on this panel, come to window and you see gradients here, or you can click on Ctrl F9 for Windows and Command F9 for Mac. So we'll click on the gradient slider like this. It's just going to apply the default gradient that is always on this gradient tool. So we need to change the gradient sliders on the sides, this one and this one. Click on eyedropper tool, then we sample the skin tone on the artwork. Then now we can double click on this to re-edit it. Maybe we want something that looks like this. And then if you feel like you won't change the other side, you want to leave it white like this, then that's all fine. And this is how you create a gradient background for your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. You can see it's very simple, guys. You just use the gradient tool to try to blend in color seamlessly into the background. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share to your friends. And please subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not done so far. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.